مرحبا، أنا اسمي زايا. This is Arabic Easy for All Beginners Basic Arabic Courses. Lesson 5, Part 4. عين، غين، فاء، قاف, double signs. Part 4 of the Arabic alphabet course will deal with the characters عين, غين, فاء, قاف in a very easy manner. In a way, students will focus mainly on how to write basic academic double signs above or below the letters to be able to pronounce Arabic easier. Arabic has 3 doubled vowels known as follow: doubled fatha, doubled dhamma, and doubled kasra. Double signs are always put at the end of the word. In doubled fatha, we say an, ghan, fan, qan. In doubled dhamma, we say un, ghun, fun, qun. And in doubled kasra, we say عن, غن, fin, qin. Let's go into details. In its final word position, doubled dhamma on عين is pronounced عن, like in the example مصنع, which means a factory. Doubled fatha on عين results the sound عن, like in the example معًا, which means together. In its final word position, doubled kasra on غين is pronounced غن, like in the example بلاغ, which means a report. While doubled fatha on غين is pronounced غن, like in the example سائغا, which means sweet to be drank. In its final word position, doubled dhamma on fa is pronounced fun, like in the example hatifun, which means a phone. Doubled fatha on fa is pronounced fan, like in the example in its final word position, doubled kasra on qaf is pronounced qin, like in the example بطريق, which means a penguin. Doubled dhamma on qaf is pronounced qun, like in the example barqun, which means a lightning. Did you get this part easily? It is time to learn them by heart. Just keep repeating them loudly that you hear yourselves saying them correctly and discover the beauty of your sounds. Don't forget to repeat writing them as well, 10 times, 20 times, 100 times, why not? A PDF writing worksheet to help you exercise writing them is on the website link underneath this video. It is the end of lesson 5, waiting for lesson 6 with its 4 principal parts, inshallah. Accept my best wishes for your success. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. See you next time, inshallah. في أمان الله.